A basis of a vector space. Suppose V is a vector space over R, and A, V1, V2, Vn is the set of n vectors subset of V. Now the set A is the said to be a generating set of vector space V. If each vector of V can be expressed as a linear combination of V1, V2, Vn vectors. Here A is a subset of V, and in A there are n vectors V1, A is equal to V1, V2, Vn. A is said to be a generating set of vector space V if each vector of V can be expressed as a linear combination of V1, V2, Vn. Is said to be a generating set of V if each vector of V can be expressed as a linear combination of of the elements of A. The example, let V is equal to R2. The set of order pair x comma y so that x y belong to R. Let V is equal to R2 is the set of x comma y so that x y belong to R. Then for all x comma y belong to R2, x comma y is equal to x into 1 comma 0 equal to x into 1 comma 0 plus y into 0 comma 1. Therefore every vector here we are considering example of R2. As we know, R2 is the set of x comma y so that x y belong to R. Then for all x y belong to R2, x comma y can be written as x into x dot 1 comma 0 plus y dot 0 comma 1. Therefore the set 1 comma 0 of vectors 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 is a generating set of R2. Now 1 comma g, the set 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 2 comma minus 3 is a generating set of R2, because every x comma y can be written as x into 1 comma 0 plus y into 0 comma 1 plus 0 into 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, each vector of R2 can be expressed as a linear combination of vector these three vectors. Therefore, it is a generating set of R2. Suppose A is a generating set of a some vector space V. Then any subset containing A is also generator of vector space V. Now, basis of a vector space. Basis of a vector space. A generating set, suppose V is a vector space. A generating set of V which is linearly independent is called the basis of a vector space. A generating set of V which is linearly independent is called as the basis of a vector space. A linear independent set of V which is a generating set of V is called a basis of V. बदल किती मिनिटाचं झालं लाईट घालवायची तर घालव in case of R2 the set B is B 1, 0, 0, 1 is a basis of R2. Now see here, in case of R2 B, the set B which is equal to consists of 1, 0, 0, 1 is the basis of R2. Now see here, the set B is linear independent. It can be easily verified that the set B is linearly independent. And B generates V, therefore it is a basis of R2. B generates R2, it is linear independent, therefore it is a basis of R2 because every vector x, y belong to R2 can be written as x, y is equal to x into 1, 0 plus y into 0, 1. Therefore, 1, 0, 0, 1 is a generating set of any vector x, y, and 1, 0, 0, 1 is linearly independent. Therefore, it is a basis of R2. Now, in case of R3, in case of R2, 2, 2 and 2, -2 is also in case of R2 the set B dash 2, 2, 2, -2 is also a basis of R2. Because it can be verified that the set 2, 2 and 2, -2 is a linear independent subset of R2 and it is a generating set of R2. See here, let we prove that b dash 2 comma 2 2 comma minus 2 is a generating set of R2. Let x comma y is equal to alpha 2 comma 2 plus beta 2 comma minus 2. There, therefore alpha 2 comma 2 plus beta 2 comma 2 is equal to 2 alpha comma 2 alpha plus 2 beta comma minus 2 beta is equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta comma 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Therefore x is equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta. Equation 1. And y is equal to 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Equation number 2. Now here see, here x, we show that the vector set 2 comma 2 2 comma minus 2 is a basis of R2. Therefore we prove that the set 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma minus 2 is a generating set of R2. Let x comma y belong to R2. Let x comma y is equal to alpha into 2 comma 2 plus beta into 2 comma minus 2 is equal to 2 alpha comma 2 alpha plus 2 beta comma minus 2 beta is equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta comma 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Therefore x is equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta, y is equal to 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Now we have to find alpha and beta here, so that x comma y is equal to alpha into 2 comma 2 plus beta into 2 comma minus 2. Therefore by 1 plus 2 x plus y is equal to 4 alpha. Therefore alpha is equal to x plus y upon 4. Also by 1 minus 2 x minus y is equal to 4 beta. Therefore beta is equal to x minus y by 4. Therefore x comma y is equal to alpha dot 2 comma 2 is equal to x plus y comma 4, x plus y upon 4 2 comma 2 plus x minus y upon 4 2 comma minus 2. Therefore each x comma y belong to R2 can be expressed as a linear combination of the vector 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2. Also it can be verified that the vector 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2 are linear independent, and therefore b dash 2 comma 2 2 comma minus 2 is a basis of R2. Therefore basis is a linear independent set whose span is the vector space phi, or a basis is a generating set of phi which is linear independent. Generating set means every vector of phi can be expressed as a linear combination of elements of the set b dash. Now phi is equal to R3. Phi is equal to R3. Phi is the set of the triples of real number x comma y comma z, so that x y z belong to R. Now consider the vector space V is equal to R3. It is the set of the elements of the type x comma y comma z. X y z belong to R. It is the set of order triples of real numbers. Now B 1 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma 0, and 0 comma 0 comma 1. Now it can be proved that this set is linear independent. B 1 comma 0 0 0 comma 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 0 comma 0 comma 1 is linear independent, because if alpha dot 1 comma 0 comma 0 plus beta 0 comma 1 comma 0 plus gamma 0 comma 0 comma 1 is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0, then we prove that alpha, beta, gamma all are 0 simultaneously. Therefore alpha comma 0 comma 0 plus 0 comma beta comma 0 plus 0 comma 0 comma gamma is equal to 0. Therefore adding these three vectors alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. Therefore alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 0. Therefore the set B is linear independent, and therefore the set B is linear independent, and it spans the set V, because for any x comma y comma z belong to R3, x comma y comma z belong to R3, x comma y comma z is equal to x dot 1 comma 0 comma 0 plus y dot 0 comma 1 comma 0 plus z dot 0 comma 0 comma 1. Therefore the set B, which consists of the vectors 1 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma 0, 0 comma 0 comma 1, is linear independent set, and it is a generating set of R3. Therefore it is a basis of R3. Now the basis is a linear independent set which generates the given vector space. Let phi is equal to P3x, the set of polynomials with real coefficient having degree less than or equal to 3. The set of real polynomials having degree less than or equal to 3. Now we consider the vector space phi is equal to P3x, the set of polynomials having degree is less than or equal to 3. Then B is equal to 2 3 upon pi x minus 2x square plus x cube is a basis of P. Now 2 belong to P3x is equal to V. 3 upon 5x belong to P3x. It is P3x is the set of real polynomials having degree less than or equal to 3. Minus 2x square is also polynomial in P3x and x cube is also a polynomial in P3x. We can prove that this is a generating set of the vector space V and it is linear independent. So let us first prove that B is linear independent. Let alpha dot 2 plus beta dot 3 by 5x plus gamma minus 2x square plus delta x cube is equal to 0 polynomial is equal to 0 plus 0x plus 0x square plus 0x cube. Then comparing the coefficient of same power of x, we get alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 0, gamma is equal to 0, delta is equal to 0. Therefore alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to 0. Therefore the set B is linear independent. The set B is linear independent and it can be proved that B is a generating set of P. Therefore B is a basis of P. Now B is equal to 2 comma 3 upon 5x comma minus 2x square comma minus 2x square comma x cube is a generating set of P. Now let a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube belong to V. Therefore a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube is equal to a0 upon 2 into 2 plus a1 yes upon 3 by 5 upon 3 by 5x plus a2 upon minus 2x square plus a3 upon a3 x cube. A3 x cube therefore 2 3 by 5x minus 2x square x cube is a generating set of therefore a0 therefore B is a generating set of P is equal to P3x since it is a linear independent, it is a basis of P. Therefore 2 comma 3 by 5x comma minus 2x square comma x cube is a basis of P. Therefore we learned that basis is linear independent set which is a generating set of a given vector space. Now let phi is the set of 2 by the vector space of 2 by 2 real matrices phi the vector space of 2 by 2 real matrices. Now B is equal to 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 0 0 1 is a basis of V. A vector space the number of elements in a basis of a vector space is called as the dimensions of a vector space. The number of elements, see here every two bases, basis is a linear independent set and basis is maximal linear independent set. Means any set containing basis is always linear dependent. Therefore basis is a maximal linear independent set. बघ किती वेळ झाला Now basis of a vector space is a maximal linear independent set. Maximal linear independent set. Means any vector containing a basis, any subspace of V containing a basis is linear dependent. Therefore, basis is a maximal linear independent set, and any subset of a basis is linear independent set, and any superset of basis, that is any set containing basis, is a linear dependent. Now see the number of basis elements of a vector space. Then in now any two, it can be proved that any two bases of a vector space have the same number of elements. And the number of elements in a basis is called as the dimensions of a vector space V. The number of elements in a vector space V, in a basis of V, is called the dimensions of V. For example, the dimensions of R2 are 2, the dimensions of R3 are 3, the dimensions of P3x are 4, and therefore this is about dimensions and bases.